OSDC, Docx2HTML, HTML output with CSS. Here you'll see our Docx file. We're going to convert this to HTML using Docx2HTML. Different from OSDC, Docx2HTML is activated with SBHCMD. We use -D for our input and -O for our output. An image folder is also created to store any images that are converted from the Docx file. Your HTML output would reference these images. Here is our HTML output viewed in a browser. Now we're going to output with a CSS style sheet applied to our output. The parameter is -CSS, followed by the name of your CSS style sheet. If your CSS style sheet is not in the same location, you can add a path to it. Now, when we open our CSS output, you can see it has a red CSS style added to it.